You can assign activities using Find Activities and manage them under Manage Activities. Let's look at Find Activities. You can use the Week selector to select a week to assign activities. Click the cog to set your default assignment settings. You can choose the day and time that you would like the activities to become available to your students. The day and the week that you want the activities to show as due, and if you want the activities to be automatically removed or never expire, so you can remove them manually. You can also set your default for homework or schoolwork. Let's browse the activities. You can browse under Matific topics or a particular curriculum. You can filter the activities by 1 or more year levels. Let's have a look at operations. We've got a mixture of activities from year 4 to 6. You can expand any of these sections to view activities. The calendar icon will show you when the activity was assigned. Let's assign an activity. It'll be assigned to the selected week and to the whole class. But you can also assign activities only to a group or a student. Click an activity to preview it. All our activities, except word problems, are different sets of questions every time your students do them. Therefore, you want to encourage your students to redo activities. Not only does this help cement the concept, but also gives you better reporting. Here you can see exactly which part of the curriculum the activity covers, and it's also worth seeing whether there are any lesson plans or teacher tips available. You can click Play with Class to set this up as an arena game for your students, or just assign it. You can demonstrate the activity in full screen if you'd like to show your students how the activity works. Let's check out Manage Activities. Under Manage Activities, you can see current activities and activities scheduled in advance. You can expand and view these activities. You can hover over this circle to view how many students have completed the activity. Click the circle to view their current and previous scores for the activity. You can change the order in which activities are presented. You can set an activity to Learn Now mode, which instantly pushes the activity to students with a special announcement, ensuring immediate focus and engagement. You can add an emoji to an activity and tell the students to do the unicorn activity. You can also personalize activities. This allows you to view any scores of students who have completed the activity, students who haven't yet completed it, and the students who don't currently have the activity assigned. This is ideal if you have assigned an activity to a group, but later decide that you wish to assign it for some other students as well. Click the empty box to assign the activity. For students who have completed, their score will be shown. For those who haven't completed yet, an orange tick will be shown. Back in the normal view, you can edit the assignment, assign as homework or schoolwork, or unassign. There is also a Manage Plan area. Here you can save all the activities you have assigned as a plan and load it for another class or share it with others. Matific also has preset plans for each textbook and curriculum, customized for every year level. Instead of assigning a year's worth of work yourself, you can select one of these presets and load it for your class. They will now have assigned work for every week. And if you loaded the wrong plan, you can easily clear all activities imported from the plan.